Hello and welcome everyone. I am Tamilarase, your business coach. Today we are going to dive into exciting and revolutionary concept that is reshaping the face of global industries. Advanced manufacturing technologies. But before we dive in, make sure you have subscribed so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of advanced manufacturing technologies. First, let's understand what advanced manufacturing technologies are: the high-tech systems and methods employed to improve products and processes. By leveraging computing power, automation, and innovative technologies, industries can enhance their efficiency and productivity. It's more than just a trend, it's a new industrial revolution. 2. The evolution of advanced manufacturing technologies in the 21st century. Advanced manufacturing technologies have come a long way in the 21st century. From the advent of automation to the rise of robotics and the integration of artificial intelligence, industries have made significant strides in improving production processes, ensuring quality, and reducing waste. 3. The impact of advanced manufacturing technologies on global industries. These technologies are changing the face of industries globally. From automotive to aerospace, healthcare to food processing, advanced manufacturing technologies are becoming a game changer. They are improving production speed, reducing costs, enhancing quality and fostering innovation. 4. Exploring the different types of advanced manufacturing technologies. There are various types of advanced manufacturing technologies. From robotics that automate repetitive tasks to 3D printing that allows for the production of intricate designs, each technology has its unique advantages. 5. The role of robotics and automation in advanced manufacturing technologies. Robotics and automation play a significant role. They not only increase efficiency but also reduce human errors. Robots can work round the clock, doing tasks that are monotonous, dangerous, or demanding for humans. 6. The integration of artificial intelligence in advanced manufacturing technologies. The integration of AI is another major leap. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, predict trends, and make decisions. This helps in predictive maintenance, quality control, and even product design. 7. The significance of 3D printing in advanced manufacturing technologies. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is another significant technology. It allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures, which would be impossible with traditional methods. 8. Benefits and challenges of implementing advanced manufacturing technologies. While these technologies offer numerous benefits like increased efficiency, cost reduction, and quality improvement, they also pose challenges like initial investment costs, need for skilled workforce, and cybersecurity concerns. 9. Case studies: successful adoption of advanced manufacturing technologies in leading corporations. Companies like Tesla, Airbus, and General Electric have effectively used these technologies to revolutionize their production processes. 10. Future trends: the potential influence of advanced manufacturing technologies on the global economy. The future of these technologies is even more exciting. With increasing adoption, they are set to influence the global economy dramatically. They can create new jobs, foster innovation, and even change the dynamics of global trade. I hope it gave you a clear understanding of advanced manufacturing technologies. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on future videos.